In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared ICS calendar to Google Calendar on desktop. First, make sure you have the ICS link for the calendar you want to follow. This is a web address that usually ends with ICS, and it's typically provided by the person or service sharing the calendar. Copy the full link exactly as given to you. If it's behind a login or permission wall, confirm you've been granted access. Otherwise, Google Calendar won't be able to fetch the events. Next, open Google Calendar in your desktop browser. Sign in with the Google account where you want the calendar to appear. Using the desktop site is important here because the option we need is easiest to find and use on the web interface. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. To the right of that label, click the plus icon. From the small menu that appears, choose From URL. This tells Google Calendar you want to subscribe to a calendar via a live link rather than importing a static file. Paste the ICS URL into the box. Double-check that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of the link. If your browser added anything unusual, clear it and paste again. When you know it looks right, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will process the link and, if everything's valid, it will subscribe you to that shared calendar. You should see a confirmation message, and the calendar will appear under Other Calendars on the left panel. If you don't see events right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a short time for the first sync to complete. Keep in mind that ICS subscriptions are typically read-only, and updates follow Google's refresh schedule, so changes made by the calendar owner may take a little while to show up for you. Now let's make it easier to recognize. Find the calendar you just added under Other Calendars and click the three dots next to its name. Choose a color that stands out from your other calendars so you can spot those events at a glance. You can change this color anytime later if you need better contrast. Whenever you want to hide or show that calendar, simply toggle its visibility by clicking its colored square in the list. Turning it off won't remove the calendar. It just hides its events from the main view, which is handy when your schedule gets crowded. And that's it. Your shared ICS calendar is now connected, visible, and easy to manage inside Google Calendar.